In this video, I want to continue the concept of neutral point. Just I explained this in the last video that the point where net electric field is zero is considered to be a neutral point. Now, if you have a point in the region closer to the charge, the influence of electric field of that charge will be dominating. It means that at this point the net electric field is under the in this direction. Similarly, at this point the net electric field will be in this direction. How can you think in this way? This is the point where the test charge is placed. This point is going to, this charge is going to repel this test charge, and this charge is also going to repel in this direction. It means that this test charge, since it is closer to this charge, therefore the influence of this charge will be dominating and the net electric field is in this direction. Similarly, here the net electric field is in this direction and I am taking this direction positive, this direction negative. If I take outside, the electric field of this charge will be in this direction. The electric field of this charge at this point will be in this direction. So it means it is in this direction. I am taking it positive. Similarly, here the net electric field is in this direction. So if I plot the graph, this is the charge Q, this is at A, this is the charge Q, this is at B. At this point, midpoint, the net electric field is 0. But when it is in this region, the net electric field is in this direction. So this is the positive. Similarly, if this point in this, if lying in this region, in this manner, I can say the net electric field is in this direction, means negative. So this is the negative region. But when it is very close to Q, R tends to 0, E tends to infinity. That's why this graph is going to move in this particular. It means it will meet this axis at infinity. The same thing here, when this point is very close to Q charge, what is going to happen? R tends to 0, E tends to infinity. It means that it is going to touch this axis at infinity. But if you take the position in this region, so definitely the direction of net electric field in this direction negative, and negative is shown like this, and when R tends to infinity, E tends to 0. So it means that the electric field is going to be 0 when it goes to infinity. Similarly, here also the same thing. Here the direction is positive. I am taking this positive and this one is negative. So this is the graph which is going, which can be asked in the entrance level, but you must know how is it we are getting. If I take this minus Q, the thing gets changed. I find this graph will be here and this graph will be here and this graph goes, this get interchanged. So you can do that thing yourself. Now, let us say if I am having one charge Q, another charge 4Q, and I want to find out the position of neutral point. Let us say the neutral point P. At P, net electric field is 0. What is E1? E1 is the electric field due to this charge. And what is E2? E2 is the electric field due to this charge. So E1 equals to KQ by x square because I am taking this distance x. And E2 is what? K 4Q upon d minus x because this is distance x. So this distance is d minus x because we are taking this q and 4q distance d. So it means that at point P, if these two electric fields are equal in magnitude and since they are opposite in direction, so they cancel each other, the net electric field become 0 and we will calculate it. You will get the distance d by 3. What does it mean? It means that this position is very closer to q charge and away from the 4q charge. So I conclude that a neutral point lies closer to the lower magnitude charge but lies in between the like charge. If these two charges are of opposite nature, say q and minus 4q, then the point P will not lie in between. The neutral point lies outside because this charge is going to repel test charge and this charge is going to attract test charge, and in this manner they are opposite to each other. If somehow they are equal in magnitude, so they will cancel and the distance comes out to be d. It means that the neutral point lies along the line joining of like charge in between and outside for unlike charge. So in and the neutral point lies closer to the lower magnitude charge. This is q and this is minus 4q. You have to see the magnitude and magnitude is 4q, not minus. Minus only indicate the sense of nature of the charge. So this charge is lower and this charge is larger in magnitude. So this thing must be clear. Don't think in this manner. This is minus 4q. So this is the lower magnitude charge. Magnitude is seen like this. The nature can be seen later. Okay.